Hello friends, welcome to Home Utilities. Friends, kitchen gadgets and tools became a necessity in modern kitchen. They not only make work more effective but also make life more enjoyable and comfortable. In today's video, we will see some fantastic and amazing kitchen gadgets and how they make our work easier. Watch the video till end without skipping, and friends, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing as I bring videos of latest inventions and gadgets. Let's start the video. Vegetable slicer and grater. This multifunctional vegetable slicer with different blades save 70% of time cutting vegetables. Because of its closed design, say bye-bye to watery eyes while slicing onions. Different blades are used for a variety of slicing cuts like slices, grating potatoes, carrots, cheese, and potato slices for chips. It comes with additional egg yolk separator and garlic mincing board, drain basket for cleaning vegetables, and ergonomic handle for easy slicing. Multifunctional organizer. This is not only a kitchen drawer organizer tray, but it also works equally well inside cupboards, cabinets, or even on a shelf, making it a must-have for your kitchen. The pillar can be moved back and forth to adjust the spacing according to the size of the dishes. Spin and strain colander. This unique strainer colander helps in rinsing, cleaning and washing vegetables and fruits right in your sink. This award-winning design has a non-slip foot that grips in the wet, so it always spins safely in place. Its basket has clever overhanging sides, so nothing comes out even when it's spinning at maximum RPM. You need to push down to stop spinning. Spinner's handle even tucks in for compact storage. Cleaning microwave when food spills and splatters is a hectic process. Here is Angry Mama to save you. It uses steam to clean the dirt from your microwave. Just add vinegar or lime juice and water, then microwave for 7 minutes. The steam comes out of Mama's head and softens microwave dirt and stains for easier cleaning, be it pasta sauce, stuck pizza cheese or greasy oil splatter. Angry Mama makes it easy to clean everything. Washing machine tablet. Washing machines are home for unseen dirt and bacteria. This washing machine cleaner tablet reaches every corner by getting dissolved in water and cleans your washing machine thoroughly. It removes invisible bacteria and germs and keeps your machine cleaner and safer. It works for both front load and top load washing machine. Green saver. Friends, how much time we take to keep the vegetable fresh, but some of them get spoiled before we use. This green saver keeps the vegetable fresh longer without oil and reduce wastage. By absorbing ethylene gas produced by the vegetables, and it also controls humidity through adjustable vent, and a removable basket allows air circulation, preventing the buildup of moisture. By this, you can ensure the vegetables stay fresh longer and save them from spoilage and damage. Fruit infuser. Drinking water has a lot of benefits, but we often forget while in work. This fruit infuser makes water more appealing and increases its consumption. Fruit water increases energy and detoxify your body, keeps you healthy. This flip-top lid and carrying handle makes it easy to take it anywhere you go. Avocado 4-in-1 tool. Avocado is a dangerous fruit as they are slippery, oddly shaped and annoying fit make it hard to cut without injury. This 4-in-1 tool enables foodies of all levels to cut, fit, slice and scoop avocados of all sizes with ease. The only tool you need to make pick guacamole, prepare for avocado toast or slice and cube for soups and salads. Twist and seal container. Using airtight lockable technology, the extra strong silicone seal keeps moisture out and locks in freshness. Base and lid are designed for neat and safe stacking. Rounded edges allow for easy pouring, ideal for mess-free storage. Perfect for cereal, pasta, rice, sugar, coffee, snacks, and more. Lid separates for easy cleaning. It can be used for all-round storage around the house. Coffee condiment organizer. The drawer with 4 bar-like compartments can hold 40 coffee capsules. It keeps the cups neatly organized, protected and accessible. Plus, it can be placed directly underneath your coffee machine to save valuable counter space. It is perfect for home or office. So friends, comment below which gadget you like, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you for watching.